Now, like I was saying, guys, I am feeling this hair. You know, you feel me? I probably will leave the link to where I got this hair from in the description. And it's like, this is my first time putting on my own lace wig. And I think I did pretty good. Y'all see the edges laid. Y'all see it's soft. You feel what I'm saying? But I am back again. Yes, I'm doing 2 videos in the same day. I think there's going to be like a routine or something for me. I am doing another quiz video. I want to do another quiz video because I like to find out more about myself. Like, well, let me see what other people tell me about myself. Like I said, sometimes they be on point, sometimes they don't. Anyways, if you haven't watched my last few videos, I will have them linked in the description. And yeah, oh yeah, my name is Wiltasha, but you can just call me TayTheySay. Don't forget to like this video and go ahead and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. So in this video, we are doing which fairy tale describes your life, and I just thought that would be real fun and interesting. Let's go ahead and see. I'm a cartoon fan. I'm an anime fan. I like everything that surrounds stuff like that. It's very interesting to me. So yeah, get your book, get your pen, 10 questions, add up your points, and let's figure out which fairy tale describes I like the best. Okay? Okay. Your life in general is same every day. I'm the center of attention. Complicated, so it's hard. I dream to have a different one. Well, I cannot be the center of attention. I got a daughter. She will always be the main source of attention, babe. Babe, are you listening to me? But yeah, I gotta do it. I can't never be the center of attention. Honestly, I ain't gonna lie. I do dream to have a different life, but not as in the sense of what I have, I'm not appreciative. How else describe it without something like I'm ungrateful? Move down, bug. I would take my husband and I would take my daughter, and then we'll, you know, I would live my fairy tale life. I think that's self-explanatory. I think y'all understand. So I got 40 points. Do you believe in fate? Yes, I hope there is one. Most of the time, I don't know. I think we decide our fate. I say B then most of the time. God damn it. If you don't... So my answer is B, and that's 10 points. Choose a dream to follow. Do something good in the world. Create a legacy. Be with my family and friends. Or find my true love. Oh, I already got D, boo. I create a legacy, I guess. Well, my legacy will be doing something good in the world. So, yeah. Be with my friends and family. Ooh. The only reason that C is looking so appealing to me on the family part, because if you guys didn't know, I did lose my brother and sister to gun violence. Put the guns down. But if I could have them, if I could be with my friends and family, that's what I would choose. I would choose to be with my friends and family. Then everything else will follow, because if I can have them here, I would. Like, trust me. Let's just say C. So that's 10 points. What matters most to you? My well-being, my accomplishments, my love, my dear ones. These questions kind of hard. Let's say C. My love. Wait, if they say my love as in my lover, or as my love as my love for others? See, this shit is confusing. Let's say they say my love for others. Question number 5. Question number 5. Choose a power you like to have. Invulnerability, telepathy, healing, or invisibility. Invulnerability? That means nothing can hurt you, right? Babe, invulnerability means nothing can hurt you, right? Babe! Invulnerability means nothing can hurt you, right? It means you're invulnerable to pain and stuff? Telepathy is like when you can read your mind or lift up. See, I think invisibility, screw it. I'm gonna be invisible. I'm just gonna be just doing stuff and disappearing on people. They be talking all that mess, all that smack. I'm just gonna turn invisible. They're gonna, where you went? I'm just gonna walk away. I got 40. What's your personality like? Dreamy, confident, easygoing, confident, hardworking, trustworthy, good and brave, good-hearted, loyal, and caring. I say confident and hardworking. Yeah, I say that one out of all of them. You forgive thy brother. All right, thy brother. Choose a life quote. Believe in yourself and be unstoppable. I like rise above and find yourself, but C is the choice I'm making. T. Choose your type of partner. The daring guy, the protective, the charming, and the loving. I want the loving guy. I want the loving guy. Y'all, my arm hurts. 2 points. So we got 2 more, and then we can add up our points and see what we got. I hope you guys following along, you guys. Don't forget, whatever you get, leave in the description. Maybe we got the same thing, maybe we got something different, you know. Find out something new about yourself. Choose where you would like to go. To a magical land, to a secret place, somewhere in the nature. The sea. A magical land. all day, every day. You feel what I'm saying? Last question. Woo woo. Choose a fairy tale you like most. Aladdin, the Wizard of Oz, Bambi, the Life in the Woods, Hansel and Gretel, Aladdin all day, boo. Aladdin all day, boo. And plus, the characters were like close to black people, as close to black people as possible. So I'm not saying they black, but they closest to black people, especially the genie. Fuck, man, I keep hitting my arm, man. See, man. So if you got 160, you're Cinderella. You are a hardworking, good-natured, and sweet person. Deep in your heart, you hope that your dreams will come true and your efforts will be paid someday. Keep up the good work, faith, and kind spirit. Oh, wait, I didn't even add on my damn points. Let me see. I got 190. So again, you got 100 to 160. You are Cinderella. 170 to 240, which is me. So if you are 170 between 240, this is us. So let's figure it out. So we got Beauty and the Beast. I don't mind that. I really don't. I don't mind that. You are kind, loyal, and hardy. You dream that the world will be a better place. You have the power of your good thoughts and deeds. Always keep in your heart your values, and life will treat you well. Okay. Keep in mind of that. Keep in your heart and your mind of your values. Don't let nobody change you. Don't let this world change you, cause I ain't got a nail, so I can click, but you know what I'm trying to do. So let's let it play out, you guys, so you guys can see your points and things like that. So yeah, you guys, if you like videos like this, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, that subscribe button, and again, I think next week I will be uploading a. What you need and what you need to know to start a perfume company, because I'm starting a perfume company, and I believe my launch date will be sometime in May, so you know, stay tuned. Yes, I can't wait to get started on that. And yes, so yeah, you guys, thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.